In this video, I'm going to show you how to track wallets on BullX. So the first thing you have to know is that you actually want to go to BullX Neo if you want to do this, because it's not possible on BullX itself. So go to neo.bullx.io and create an account if you don't have one. So if you don't have an account, there's actually a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, which if you click on it and sign up, it will basically give you access to BullX in case you are still in the wait list. So once you are inside BullX Neo, what you want to do is hover over here on your left tab, and then you want to go down here where it says Wallet Tracker. Just click on that, and from here you want to click Add Wallet, top right. And over here, you just want to add in your wallet name and your wallet address. So let's say this one's going to be example wallet. There we go. And then we're just going to paste in a address. So I have a random address over here. I'm going to just paste it in, press add wallet. And just like this, your wallet has been added over here. As you can see, wallet tracker, one wallet has been added. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.